thinking about buying a 3D printer? Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 3D printer is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, engineer, designer, educator, or small business owner, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right 3D printer without confusion or hype. I'll cover real-world performance, key features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Creality K2 Plus Combo. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is a professional-grade 3D printer built for creators who need large-format, multicolor printing. It features a generous 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume, supports the new CFS multicolor printing system, reaches print speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, and includes full auto leveling, a next-generation direct drive extruder, and dual AI cameras for print monitoring. Review highlights. The K2 Plus combo delivers outstanding print quality while handling large and complex projects with ease. Its massive build volume and reliable multicolor capabilities make it an excellent option for advanced users, makerspaces, and professionals. Pros: large 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume, multicolor printing with CFS, up to 600 millimeters print speed, full auto bed leveling, dual AI cameras for print monitoring, quiet and reliable operation. Number 4. Creality K2 Combo. The Creality K2 Combo combines high-speed performance with intelligent automation. It supports multicolor printing using CFS, features a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, 600 millimeters per second print speed, smart auto leveling, dual AI cameras, and a 260 by 260 by 260 millimeter build volume. Review highlights. This printer produces highly detailed prints while remaining quiet and easy to operate. The AI-assisted monitoring and automatic calibration make it suitable for users who want professional results with minimal setup. Pros: multicolor printing support, 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, smart auto leveling, dual AI camera system, quiet and reliable operation. Number 3. Official Creality K2 Combo. The official Creality K2 Combo is engineered for precision, speed, and convenience. It features the CFS multicolor system, a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, 600 millimeters per second print speed, automatic leveling, an enclosed chamber, an AI camera, and a 260 by 260 by 260 millimeter build volume. Review highlights. This printer offers excellent dimensional accuracy and dependable print consistency. Its enclosed design improves temperature stability for demanding materials, while the AI camera helps monitor print progress in real time. Pros: CFS multicolor printing, enclosed printing chamber, 600 millimeters per second print speed, AI camera monitoring, excellent print accuracy. Number 2. FLASHFORGE ADIFA XD. The ADIFA XD is a fast and efficient CoreXY 3D printer designed for precision and multicolor printing. It features 600 millimeters per second printing speed, a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, one-click auto leveling, and a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume. Review highlights. The ADIFA XD delivers impressive speed without sacrificing print quality. Its CoreXY motion system ensures smooth, accurate printing, while the automatic leveling system makes setup simple for both beginners and experienced users. Pros: CoreXY high-speed design, multicolor printing support, one-click auto leveling, 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, excellent print precision. Number 1. Taking the top spot is the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, one of the best all-around 3D printers available in 2026. It features a CoreXY all-metal structure, fully automatic leveling, a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, a 3-second detachable nozzle system, and a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume. Review highlights. The Adventurer 5M consistently delivers smooth, accurate prints with minimal setup time. Its automatic calibration, durable construction, and high-speed CoreXY system make it ideal for everything from prototypes and functional parts to detailed creative projects. Pros: fully automatic leveling, CoreXY all-metal construction, up to 600 millimeters per second printing speed, quick 3-second detachable nozzle, reliable and beginner-friendly, excellent overall performance and value. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing print quality, speed, ease of use, reliability, build quality, smart features, and overall value, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M stands out as the best 3D printer of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.